how to redeem Temu referral code. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to redeem Temu referral code. So first thing first, just head over to your Temu application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in with my account. So now simply head over to your use section from the bottom right corner of your application, and once inside here, just tap on this coupons and offers right next to your credit balance option over here, as you can see at the top right, and just tap on that. So once you tap on that, that is coupons and offers. So from over here you can simply enter the referral code in the designated field and simply tap on apply, and if the code is valid, the discount or benefit will be applied to your account. And if there's special offers, such as currently there is a £100 coupon bundle over here, so you can just use those special features or offers which will be provided based on your account of different locations. So you can tap on get button to actually use that by simply following the on-screen instructions. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.